If you want to set up an auto reply in Yahoo Mail, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can turn on your out of office response, write your message, and set the dates if you want the reply to run automatically. This is a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time when you're away, busy, or just unable to respond right away. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's start inside Yahoo Mail. First, open Yahoo Mail and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in your inbox, look for the settings icon, which is the gear symbol in the top area of the page. Click on settings to open the quick menu. From there, choose more settings. This will take you into the full settings area where you can control different features of your Yahoo account. Now, on the left side or within the settings options, look for out of office response. This is the feature Yahoo Mail uses for auto replies. Click on it and you'll see the controls for turning the feature on and off. At this point, switch it to on. Once you do that, Yahoo Mail will allow you to create an automatic reply that gets sent to people who email you while the feature is active. Next, you'll want to type your auto reply message. Keep it clear, polite, and helpful. You can let people know that you're currently unavailable, when you expect to return, and whether they should expect a delayed response. For example, you might write something like, "Thanks for your email. I'm currently out of the office and will respond as soon as possible when I return." You can customize this message to fit your situation, whether it's for vacation, a business trip, or a short break. After that, you can set dates if you want the auto reply to turn on and off automatically. This step is optional, but it's very useful if you already know the dates you'll be away. Just enter the start date and the end date so Yahoo Mail can handle the rest for you. If you don't set dates, you may need to remember to turn the feature off manually later. Before finishing, take a moment to review your message and make sure everything looks correct. Check your wording, confirm the dates if you added them, and make sure the out-of-office response is still turned on. Once you're satisfied, your Yahoo Mail auto reply is ready to go. That's it. You've now learned how to set up auto reply in Yahoo Mail in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to stay professional and keep people informed when you're not available. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.